Hello everyone, come back again with me. By the way, did you know that a byproduct of palm oil processing can actually be exported to various countries around the world? Of course guys, the product is widely used as animal feed in many countries and has a high economic value in international trade. What's the product? The product is palm kernel meal. Okay, my name is Rafadila with last student number ID 072, and in this video I will explain to you about palm kernel meal as one of Indonesia's export products, as well as the main documents and supporting documents required in the export process. And through this video we will understand how palm kernel meal can become an export commodity, as well as what document must be fulfilled so that export process can run smoothly and in accordance with international trade regulation. So guys, let's begin the discussion. So guys, what is palm kernel meal products? Okay, after learning that palm oil produces various derivative products, one product that is important in international trade is palm kernel meal. Palm kernel meal, often referred to as palm kernel expeller or PKA, is a byproduct of the process of processing palm kernels into palm kernel oil. Although it is byproduct, palm kernel meal has considerable economic value. Why? This is because palm kernel expellers contains good protein and fiber, so it is widely used as animal feed, especially for cattle, goats, and sheep. And due to its nutritional content, palm kernel expeller has become one of the commodities that are in high demand by various countries. Some of the export destination for palm kernel meal or palm kernel expeller from Indonesia is include Japan, South Korea, China, and several countries in Europe. And guys, with the Indonesia's large palm oil production, palm kernel meal has become one of the derivative products with great potential in international trade. So for the next, I will explain to you guys, in the export of palm kernel meal, shipping goods overseas requires not only products that are ready for shipment, but also important documents that are required in the international trade process. Some of the main documents required for export include: the first is commercial invoice. A commercial invoice is a document that contains information about the transaction between the exporter and importer that we have learned with the video before. And this document usually includes the names of seller and buyer, the type of good being sold, the quantity of goods, the price of goods, and the total of transaction value. And this document is very important because it forms the basis for calculating payments and import duties in the destination country. The second main document is packing list. Packing list is a document that contains details of the goods and pick and ship. This document usually contains information about the number of package, the type of goods, and the net and gross weight of the goods. And the packing list helps the port, customs, and the recipient of the goods to know the contents of the goods in more detail. Okay, the next main document is bill of lading. A bill of lading is a document issued by a shipping company as proof as the goods have been loaded into a ship for delivery to the destination country. And in addition to being proof of delivery of palm kernel meal, this document also serves the document of ownership of the goods during of the shipping process. And guys, what is the last main document for export palm kernel meal? Of course, the notification of export goods, or in Indonesian we call it PAB. PAB is a document submitted to the Directorate General of Customs and Excise. Is an official notification that goods will be exported abroad. And this document contains information about the identity of the exporter, the type of the goods, the quantity of the goods, and the country of export destination. And we know that the PAB is very important guys, because it serves as official permission to the process of removing goods from Indonesia custom territory. Okay guys, for the next, I will explain to you. Of course, another documents, the supporting export documents. In addition to the main documents, there are also several supporting documents that help facilitate the palm kernel meal export process. The first supporting export document is Certificate of Origin or COO. A certificate of origin is a document that indicates the country of origin of the exported goods. This document is important because it can evac import duties in the destination country. And the second supporting document that we learn is phytosanitary certificate. Since palm kernel meal is derived from plant product, a phytosanitary certificate is required. This document states that the exported product is free from pests and plant disease and is usually issued by the Agricultural Quarantine Agency. Okay, we move to the next document. Is fumigation certificate is a document that states the goods undergone fumigation to kill pests or insects that may be present on the goods before being shipped to destination country. This document is very important to maintain product quality and safety during shipping process. And the last document is surveyor report. It's a report prepared by an independent survey agency that inspects goods before they are exported. The inspection includes the quantity of goods, the quality of goods, and the condition of goods. And this document aims to ensure that the goods shipped comply with the standards and agreements between the exporter and importer. Okay, so guys, from the explanation above, we can see that palm kernel meal, which was originally only a byproduct of palm oil processing, actually has high economic value and has even become an export commodity to various countries. And in addition to the product itself, we also learned that there are many important documents that have been completed for export activities, ranging from commercial invoice, packing list, bill of lading, and BEB as the main documents, and to supporting documents such as certificates of origin, phytosanitary certificates, fumigation certificates, and surveyor report. They show that in international trade, quality product must be supported by competent enemy administration and documentation so that the export process can run smoothly. Is not. It is facilitating how a byproduct of palm kernel meal can become a significant opportunity in global product. Hey guys, thank you to watch my video until the end. Hopefully this explanation can broaden our knowledge about palm kernel meal export products and export documents. I'm Nur Fadila. See you in the next discussion. Have a nice day everyone.